Hi, Dominic. This is the solution for your second chess puzzle for the back ranks. Again, this is a fairly easy puzzle. This is just one of those puzzles in which we test to see whether or not you're paying attention to what squares are being covered by white's pieces. So as you can see, you have two rooks on your 8th rank, and each of them are able to threaten the white king with check on the 1st rank. You see you have the rook on e8, which could go to e1, and then you have the rook on d8, which could go to d1. Now, if the queen weren't here, then black could arguably have a checkmate with either rook. But because the queen's here, we have to see that only one of these rooks can deliver check with mate. So for example, if black plays rook d8, then white is forced to play queen takes d1, and then all of a sudden, white has a winning game, and black will probably go on to lose. However, rook to e1 is instant checkmate for black. So that was just the computer doing a weird automatic move afterwards. So the thing to remember is just to be mindful of where indeed the position of the board is and how it works. However, just to use another example, if we were to alter the position just slightly and we take away, or we move the rooks so they're both doubled up on the d file, then all of a sudden it wouldn't matter if it were, it doesn't matter that the queen is on d1, because rook takes, or rook goes to d1, queen takes, and black has checkmate. So the important thing to consider as we go through this is even though in that case, because the rooks are doubled and they can create another threat, it does not in any way affect the final result. So just being mindful of what squares your opponent's covering as you're trying to deliver mate on the back rank is the whole point.